Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all of course missed me because I missed you. So today I'm doing a makeup look, of course, and I don't know what I'm doing. Of course, we're just gonna go with it. Let me scoot over some, you guys. But disclaimer, I am red because I've been on the beach and I got sunburned all on my face, all on my back. I'm sore, but I'm gonna do this video for you guys because it's been overly needed. If that's the word, it's overly, we're gonna say it's the word. Like I said, I don't have any idea what I'm gonna be doing. I'm just opening up my palettes right now to see if something can spark me, you know, inspire me at the moment, you guys. So I like that orange. What do you guys think? It'll probably look good on my newly tanned skin. I think I'm gonna do it. So I'm going to start off with this yellow. Oh man, this yellow from Crease, and it is called Tweety. Let's move that out of the way. And I'm trying to see if I want to do this as a talking through or not video, because when I talk through my videos, they tend to get a little long. So let's see how it goes. The next color, I think one of the same Crease palette. Let's see which one. So what's that? Outside the box, let's try this blue Phantom. It's ugly. I won't post it. And then I'm just gonna take the black from my Crease palette and apply that underneath the blue. You can use any black color that you have. It doesn't really matter. Just get a black and put it underneath that blue. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to take a makeup wipe, boom, bada bing, and I'm going to clean up this concealer that's underneath the black and cut my crease, and then I'll be back, I guess. I'll be back. So I'm going to try to see if this will work. I'm going to take this white from the Crease palette, Caress, and I'm going to go right under that crease. Y'all, that white was hard for me, and this is as good as it's gonna get. And I'm trying to look up as hard because everything has been giving me grief. So I'm going to take an angled brush. Let me clean it off. Give me un momento. I'm gonna come back to my face. I'm gonna finish up my eyes. For underneath the eyes, what am I gonna do? Let's start with the blue. The Crease palette. Is it Crease palette? Mask production. Mask production. I'm gonna take the orange from the Juvia's palette and go under there too. And then for inner corner, I'm gonna start with this one. But if it's too dark, I'm gonna take that one as well. Ooh, that inner corner highlight is bomb, y'all. Look. Yes. all up. Boom. I'm gonna put that underneath my brows too. Y'all, I like that highlight so much that I'm gonna put it on my face. I'm gonna get a highlighter brush. So I'm gonna dip that in there. Y'all, this highlight was made for me. Look at that. Made for me. I had to clean all my brushes all over again, y'all, and I'm so depressed. Yes, y'all, cannot tell me nothing. Yes, yes. Y'all, this orange so dang gone bright, honey. I didn't expect it. What do y'all think about this orange? I don't know. I don't know. Oh, I got an idea. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this as it is right now for the purpose of this video, but I got an idea for a picture that I hope works out. Everything is dotting this up. Yeah, so with that being said, let me set my face because I was gonna end this video. Do I want to do dewy today, or do I want to? Let's dewy you up. Come on, I'm gonna use this dewy NYX finishing spray. Y'all, so that's what I'm gonna do. And then that completes this look, you guys. I really hope you all, let me make sure you're recording because my camera has been dying on me this whole video, but I made it through for you guys. Thank you. I hit my hand. Thank you all for tuning into this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you all think that it's something different and you're excited to see what I have next. If you are subscribed to this channel right now, do it now, do it now. And comment down below what you think as well. Thumbs this video up. And let me see if there's anything else that I have to say to you guys. I don't think so. These lashes are reused lashes. I've used them in a video before. I don't remember. All I know is, I don't know. I don't remember the brand. All I know is that I got it from the beauty supply store. So yeah, if you want to go back and check in a video before, you'll probably see them, but I don't know the name of them, y'all. I'm sorry. But anyways, until next time, I don't know what I'm talking about at this point. I'll see y'all. Peace.